How y'all doing? This is another episode of True 7. I'm Dvorak, and today I'm going to do pretty much alchemical practice or information for this video because, and most formally about crystal bodies and hair knowledge and just alchemical properties and more of the realization of um, you're a super being and how everything is connected and tie some things together that has to do more with the body and whatnot, and things that you can use with your body and understand alchemical practices and alchemical processes. Like, for instance, hair. I've done a video on hair and I talked about it in a video maybe about a year and a half, 2 years ago. But for the most part, a lot of people have to realize that in these times, like, our bodies are evolving and we have to understand that what our bodies can do and honestly the recycling of the body and the recycling of beings and how it's used in the environment. Like, for instance, like, I'm going to demonstrate even with hair, um, with adding another chemical at play, fire, uh, what our hair follicles break down into. Basically, it transform into crystal. When you burn your hair or parts of your body, it crystallizes. Pretty much with nit- the nitric acid that is formed from ammonia, pretty much that and the ammonia is pretty much properties of nitrogen, silver, and gold, and other alkaline metals because your body is an alchemic being and it's made of metal and alkalines. Like, hopefully you can see in this demonstration, like, I pulled a strand of my hair out, and I do this all the time. Well, pretty much you can use your hair in prayer rituals and everything because you create a whole nother chemical property from burning your hair, and you pretty much have silver at your hand and sulfur and many other things at your display that you can use. But I'm gonna burn my hair, and you can probably even see the chemical process of what happens to it. It goes from changes color and also pretty much bubbles, and it pretty much crystallizes. Like, it turns into a blue, silver, shiny thing, pretty much. And you can pretty much, look this stuff up and study it on your own and see that from here, like, I have a complete crystal. Like, I've made crystal out of my hair just from heat pressure and pretty much everything else that's combined. You get liquids, you get solid, and you get gas, all in one sitting, just burning your hair. I can say prayers over this or whatever, but it carries vibration, and there's a certain mutation that happens to it. And I can probably pick this off. I have solid, it's pretty much, it's ash, but it's now crystallized. It's pretty much crystal. So, and how that coordinates even with your body and whatnot, and with products, because when products they put animal testing, you have to realize since all this stuff breaks down into minerals, um, things are recycled. Like, and pretty much, I just want to bring that subject or that notoriety to that. That being said, um, so in every aspect you can look at it, recyclability is happening, where it comes in the physical form or in the spiritual form. Things are always in a going process of transformation. So pretty much that's more of, it's just an alchemical hint that I wanted to give people with this notion, because people don't look at the big picture of things. And your hair pretty much is a main form of crystal that you can even see on a regular in your body. So But that was just a short tidbit on here, and ways that you can use it in prayers, and chemical properties that break down the sulfates and the nitrogen in here, and it breaks down to little silver that you have in your hand and whatnot. But that's it for this video. If you have any questions, just email me like you have been. This is True 7, the Borgia. I'm out.